natural fertilization. So, when we look at how the natural fertilization of an embryo takes place, we have to understand through the act of sexual coitus. The sperm enters into the vagina of the female and then goes close to the cervix, enters through the internal os of the uterus, gets into the body of the cavity of the uterus, swims towards the fallopian tube and stays patiently in the fallopian tube, waiting for the ova or the egg to be picked up by the fallopian tube from the ovary. So, the ova also gets transported towards the sperm. So, there are lots of chemotactic factors which helps in the migration of the egg and the sperm close to each other. The sperm then gets entry into the ova, transfers its DNA material, fertilization takes place and a zygote is formed. Thus grown zygote remains in the fallopian tube for 2 days, and after 2 days it gets converted into an embryo and transfers to the uterine cavity and starts growing as the fetus in utero. So, this is how a natural fertilization takes place in the fallopian tube, and it is very essential for all of us to understand the first home place of the embryo is the fallopian tube and not the uterus.